Have you ever wondered why some swimming pools look different from ordinary ones with the water constantly circulating? Just like the treadmill you usually see, its belt keeps rolling. But why does the water in the pool flow like this? In fact, this is a counter-current pool, also known as an endless pool, which is used by many swimmers for training. Clearly, swimmers have large pools available, so why do they need to make such a complex device? Is it to exercise endurance and explosive power? But using weights in an ordinary pool to train explosive power is more effective and saves electricity. Actually, besides adjusting the training intensity, the counter-current pool can simulate various complex water environments, such as calm rivers and wavy oceans. More importantly, it has a visualization function. Coaches can observe the swimming postures of swimmers up close through the transparent glass beside the pool.